how I passed 2 evaluations this week. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it, and I'm gonna get straight into it. So this is my Lucid account. You can see this is funded already, and I'm gonna show you the certificate. So not payout certificate, evaluation certificate is load up. Okay, so this is already passed to one upload before, and then this is the second one. You can see the date, which I just passed. And honestly, it doesn't look that good. I was doing really well. You can see I did a good day, you know, minimum payment or minimum profit, another minimum profit. And I lost big on Friday. I'm gonna show you exactly in this video how and why why I actually lost that much. So stay tuned or stay watching till the end of the video, because I'm gonna show you on the chart why I lost it. Now the next account is Apex, and I did of course pass this account. You can see where is the certificate or something, active account history. Where is the dashboard or where is it? I don't even know where it is, man. Apex certificate something. Anyway, you can see that I passed once doesn't account history, and I passed it, and PA activated, which is I don't even know what it stands for, German PA. Anyway, so I got activated, right, for funded. I blow it in 2 days, man. happens. You can see this one was the funded, and I blow it, so 2K minus, and yeah, it's goodbye Apex. So that I didn't get the withdrawal from that. I'm gonna show you exactly why I blow it as well. But it is what it is, man, and you know, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. But the main thing for me, you know, I can show you all this on the charts. You know, like I can show you that. You know, I can show you here trading, and I can show you execution marks. Let me just minimize myself here. I can show you the execution marks, if they're gonna be visible now. Why they're not visible? Oh, I have to be connected to the broker, right? Never mind. So I can show you all of these, but end of the day, it's just the charts. What's the most important is the mindset. And that's what I want to talk about. Why first of all, why did I blow this account, right? Why did I blow this Apex account? Well, I'll tell you why. And I know exactly why, and that's probably why you're blowing that account as well. Well, I passed that, and then of course I was very excited to make my payout, because you know I make payouts before. I made so many withdrawals before, no problem. You know, like my Lucid, you know, I got payouts. I got one payout here. What's happening here? I got payout. Why is the payout doesn't work? Okay, certificates maybe, payout. Okay, so here's you can see payouts here. I also have a top step. I also have an Alpha Capital Group. I got some payouts, right? So I know how to make payouts now. So I got really excited. I'm like, you know what? I got this already. You know, I got that. So I'm just gonna risk big. Guess what happened? As soon as I risk big, I lost one trade, second trade, third trade, and I wanted to make the trades. I wanted to make back the losses, so I'll risk more. And then one thing lead to another, and in one day I lost 1,000, because Apex actually block your account or stop making your trades after you reach 1,000 loss on a 50K account for next 24 hours, right? So you cannot trade for that day, or for the day basically. So the next day you have another 1,000 to risk, right? Because totally you can risk only $2,000 drawdown. And the next day, which was Friday, I lost it on a gold. And the reason is because I got so excited, I risked more. I wanted to make the profits back, and it just didn't happen, man. It's just, let me put this a little bit like this. I'm standing here, so you know it's much better like this. And yeah, as I'm risking more and more, I'm just keep losing the trades. And even though I know what I'm doing, it happens, right? It happens to all of us. I also lost on Lucid, funded here. You can see that loss was pretty big, you know, 1K, 1.2K on that account. So there's still next week, you know, I still have, you know, 1,100 to go before I blow it. But I believe I will get this back. I believe I will get this back. But I'm gonna show you here on gold what actually happened, right, on Friday, because, man, if you just, fuck, you know. So, I trade Asian session. What happened is, in the morning here, but I'm in Australia now, so, and this time is in Manila, Philippines. So, but I'm in Australia, so the trading view is still set for a Manila. So, as I am here, wake up in the morning, this is what I'm looking at, right? So it's 8 o'clock in the morning here, and I'm thinking, you know what, this actually looks like nice head and shoulders, right? You have a left, boom, 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 right? So I'm thinking head and shoulders, but it's not confirmed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the support for this. I don't know what's happening with TradingView of mine. I don't know why is it not working. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you like this because I don't know why this fucking doesn't work. But yeah, whatever. Come on. I don't want this. Hello. Okay. So I'm right here, right? And I'm thinking I'm gonna wait for this support to then bounce, continue up. Well, I was also thinking to enter a short, but I didn't. So I waited for the support and it stopped me out once. That was okay. And then second time I enter and I hold the trade, because that's what I usually do. I enter during the session, I tend to hold during Asian, London, and sometimes even through New York session. And I closed it before I go to sleep here in Australia. And I hold it in reverse in London session and came back all the way to stop me out break even. And I'm thinking, you know what? I think we're gonna literally use this as a resistance, which we eventually did here. But before it did, it stopped me out once, twice, 3 times, and then massive wicks. And as soon as we've been here, look at this, man. Let me zoom this in. As soon as this is where I was entering, right? I was entering here, I was entering here, and then after it got me like, stopped me out like 3 times, my psychology was already gone, right? It's like I couldn't handle it, but I still wanted. So I entered another trade, stopped me out. That way I blow the Apex account. And then look what it did. So I'm thinking, you know what, this is probably going to continue just up, right? This is bullish, you know, we break above the previous highs, it's probably going to go up. And then look what happened. Even that I was thinking, this is where it comes down to intuition, right? A lot of people think like, oh, you cannot trade intuition, you know, all this stuff. Let me tell you something. The best traders in the world develop this intuition, discretion, whatever you want to call it. And they not trade by it, they have a strategy, but you just see something on the chart which you saw previously, and you're like, you know what, I saw this before, this probably is going to turn around, and it still doesn't, and then it eventually does, and you're like, fuck, you know, man, like I knew this is going to happen, and actually my target profit was exactly where the market actually closed. So it was in this area. What's happening with my trading view, man? What the fuck? What are you doing? Why is not? Hey, it's not my mouse, it's my trading view. Okay, so this was my target profit, right? If I go back to 15 minutes, this actually broke below. And let me go back to 5 minutes. And I saw this. And so this happened, so this happened during New York session, right after New York session, right? But there was no indication, there was not anything my strategy indicated we're gonna go down. And then look what happened. I wake up in the morning, exactly went to my target profit, man, and then that's what happened. So That's how I blocked my Apex account. You know, it's funny because Thursday I activated his account, paid like $100 for activation fee, and then just blow it. But I still have my Lucid funded, so hopefully next week we're gonna make some profits and make some payouts. So yeah, it is what it is, man. Like not every week is great. You know, we're starting good, we pass to evaluation, and then we just blow it. So, but my strategy works on both. So it works on futures and works on CFDs as well. By the way, with CFDs, I actually had a similar mistake. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm still human. I even sent this to my school community, and I actually was in this trade, but I closed it here when I supposed to hold it all the way to this area where the market closed as well, exactly at that point. But I jumped the ship. I'm thinking, you know what? I probably is gonna turn around. I don't even know why, honestly. Sometimes it's embarrassing, but sometimes you just see something on the chart and you freak out. Like I think I saw this bearish engulfing, and you freak out and you close it when you're not supposed to. So it is what it is. If I hold this straight GBP/AUD, I will pass my 50k CFDs on the Alpha Capital Group as well. So there we go, because my Alpha Capital Group account now, I mean, look at this, is back to 50,000.2. I was all the way 52,000, so I had like 1,000 left, and we got all the way down. So it is what it is, man. I'm not perfect, no one is perfect, and if your guru showing you only profitable days and profitable trades, he's lying to you 100%. So anyway, if you made this so far, I have a school community where I teach everything, and I'm also doing weekly analysis for my students. You can see everything is posted here. There is also a classroom, and I actually going to be recording another lesson tomorrow, so you can see everything is here. I think there's so far about 5 or 6 hours of content, and yeah, you can join or not, it's really up to you. Anyway, link is down below in the description, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.